What's up, everybody? It's Desert Junkie out here. Got the wife and my little girl Addie, she's 6. This is Lewis. Say hi, Louie. Hi. Hi. We're just out here by the house riding around. Addie's on older KTM 50 mini adventure and she loves it. This way, Addie, go up the trail. Good job. You good? Okay, I'll follow you guys. She's learning. The whole family out here. We put her on a KTM 50 Senior Pro, and it was also an older bike. It was a 2003. This one she's on is also a 2003. That bike was a little bit too much for it. It's designed more to rip on the flat open stuff. It really struggles in this stuff with how slow she likes to go up hills. It just didn't have the low end, and it was just tall enough that she couldn't touch the ground very well, and it took a lot of rider confidence away from her because of that. But as you can see, this little bike, she's doing so much better. You're doing awesome! Woo! Good job! Keep going! You got it! Go! Nice! Good job, Addie! Make sure Mama's still doing okay. Whoa, good job! Okay, Addie. You gotta go fast. Go! You totally got it. You gotta go fast though. Put your feet up. Okay, back up. Back up. Scoot back. Look. Push your bike back so you can get a good run, okay? Jump off if you need to and come back. Okay? Walk it back. Yep, pull hard. There you go, okay. Alright, now just give it some gas and get up it. You got it. Yep. You got it. Go, go, go. Go. Oh, oh, oh. You're okay. Stay there. You're okay. You're okay. You did so good. I want you to try again. Here. Yep. Okay, go ahead and start it up. I'll be here to catch you if you need it, okay? Here, what, this? Alright, come here. Alright, go ahead and start it. Okay, you ready? Go! Give her gas! Go! Go! Keep going! Woo! Yeah! You gotta keep on the gas, okay? Ready? Go! Gas! Nice! Go to the right! Okay, now right, right! Go around it! Okay, ready? Go! Now to the right! You rock! Okay? Tired? Don't fall asleep on me, okay? Not this time. Alright, here, sit up. Sit up. I don't mind. Now, if it was my buddies, that's different. I'd probably pass them.